Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Danish Daniel Reza bin Rosli. My matrix card number is 01D8020F1022. I'm from D83A and now I want to present the graph that I choose. The graph is about the gross domestic product growth forecast. Gross domestic product is the total value of goods produced and services provided in a country during 1 year, while economic forecasting is the process of attempting to predict the future condition of the economy using a combination of widely followed indicators. There were many respondents involved in this survey. And now let's take a look at the graph. As you can see, the data in this graph is about gross domestic product growth forecast. For the axis, y-axis is represent for the percentage of growth forecast rate, and for the x-axis is represent different countries, which are Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, and Vietnam. For the legends, the pink color is 2019, the red color is 2020, and last but not least, the green color is 2021. First, we look at Singapore graph. The percentage of the growth forecast is the lowest compared to other countries in 2019. At Singapore graph, the percentage of the growth forecast in 2021 was higher by 1.5% than in 2020. The percentage of the growth forecast is increased slightly. The highest percentage of growth forecast at Singapore was in 2021, which is 2.2%. Singapore's place is not as big as other countries. Maybe that's why their percentage is very different from the other countries. Second graph is Thailand. The percentage of the growth forecast in 2020 was lower by 0.2% than in 2019. The percentage of the growth forecast decreased slightly from 2019 to 2020 and then rose significantly in 2021. The percentage of the growth forecast reached a peak at 3.8% in 2021. The percentage of growth forecast Thailand was higher 1.6% than Singapore in 2021. The lowest percentage of growth forecast at Thailand was in 2020. Based on this graph, it can be concluded that Thailand maybe had a lack of manage the gross domestic product. So, Thailand must have to improve their skill in growth forecast. Next, the third graph is Malaysia. You can see clearly that in 2021, the percentage of the growth forecast is higher than in 2019 and 2020. In addition, the percentage of the growth forecast in 2020 is the lowest compared to 2019 and 2021. The highest percentage of growth forecast at Malaysia was in 2019, which is 4.3%. The percentage of the growth forecast Malaysia was lower 10% than Philippines in 2020. But Malaysia had a good in balancing the growth forecast. As you can see from Indonesia graph, the percentage of the growth forecast in 2019 was higher than 2021. The different percentage between 2019, 2020 and 2021 was 0.1%. Here you can see the percentage of the growth forecast Indonesia was higher 4.5% than Singapore in 2019. The lowest percentage of growth forecast at Indonesia was in 2020, which is 4.9%. Indonesia is the country that had an average rate. Based on the percentage Philippines, it can be seen that in 2019 increased slightly at 1% in 2020 and continues until 2021. However, the percentage of growth forecast Philippines was lower 1.2% than Vietnam in 2019. In 2021, the percentage of growth forecast was more than 2019 and 2020. The highest percentage of growth forecast at Philippines was in 2021, which is 6%. Finally, I would like to show you the best country that had a good growth forecast. None other than it was Vietnam. In 2019, Vietnam is the most percentage of the growth forecast compared to other countries. Same goes to in 2020 and 2021. Vietnam dominates in growth forecast, which are the most percentage. The number of percentage of growth forecast in 2019 was higher 0.9% than 2020. The percentage of growth forecast increased slightly in 2021. The percentage of growth forecast Vietnam was higher 4.9% than Thailand in 2019. The highest percentage of growth forecast at Vietnam was in 2019, which is 7%. Based on the analysis, it can be concluded that there are some countries that are able to control gross domestic product growth forecast, and some countries are still lacking with that. That's all from me. Thanks for listening and have a nice day. Bye bye.